Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Tactical. Today we're going to take a look at the Strider SMF. Now this thing is just an absolute tank. It's actually loaned in by my buddy over at DTOM Knives and Gear. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. Definitely go check him out. He's a great guy and has some great content. Now this variation actually came with the Stonewash Spear Point blade, which is actually made out of S35VN. It kind of surprised me because I do know a lot of the SMF models came in CPM 154. Now, that's completely cool with me. I love seeing the different types of steels being used. It kind of gives the user a few more options when searching for the perfect knife for themselves. Now, the lock side is absolutely beautiful. You can see it has this nicely done flamed finish. You know, it is a right-handed tip-up carry only. It cannot be reversed. There are left-hand models available. Good luck trying to find one. But to be honest, in my opinion, the clip kind of leaves a lot to be desired. Again, it's not deep carry, anything like that. But to be honest, I think it's exactly what it needs to be. Anyway, the overall length on this guy is 9 inches, with the blade being 3.90 with a 3.25 inch cutting edge. The thickness is a whopping 0.19, so it's definitely a beefy little blade. The handle length or close length is 5.10. The thickness is 0.54. And the weight on this bad boy, 5.960. Now, 6 ounces might be a bit heavy for some as far as EDC goes, but to be honest, it really feels a lot like the PM2 in the pockets. Now, there's a couple different ways to deploy this bad boy. One being this little blade stop right here. The second and most obvious being this little thumb hole. And the third, my personal favorite, the Spidey flick. Pretty much any knife you can Spidey flick is a winner in my book. Now, as far as comparison goes, you can see I laid out two different options here. Both are really popular knives with people, the Para 3 and the Para 2. Now, of course, it is a big knife, but that does not stop it from being an awesome carry. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram for much more. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.